To create and view a document outline, open your document in Lumin and click this drop-down arrow and select the outline tool from the toolbar. The outline panel will appear on the left of your screen. If your document already has outlines, it will be displayed here, but click the Add Outline to add a summary. Add your outline title and the destination page in the respective fields. Then click Add. You can also add sub-outlines, edit the outline, or delete the outline by clicking on the More Options field. Clicking on the outline will direct you to the designated page.